Good morning, everybody. This is your task for today. Basically, it's a combination of the things we've done in the last few lessons. So we've got the compass directions in the questions, and we've also got our degrees of turns of different angles. So basically, what we need to remember is that a 90-degree turn is a quarter turn, and 180 is a half turn. So if you are facing this way and you turn 180 degrees, you are facing in the opposite direction. And if you turn 90 degrees, you've turned 1/4. Okay, so that 180, you've turned around totally in the opposite direction. By the way, it's not in this question, but turning 360 degrees is a full circle. So if it was 360, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, back to the place where it started. So we haven't got any of those, it's just 180 turning around, or 90 quarter turn. So let's have a look at the first one. So it's flying north, and you can see it's facing north as well, and it turns 180. Important to note that they are clockwise, so the direction of a clock, so that's this way. So I'm going to start here, it's going to go here. So one turn will be facing east, that would be 90 degrees, but it's 180, so it's going to go down there. So turning 180, it's in the opposite direction now. So the answer for number 1 is south. This one starts off flying east, turns 90 degrees. Remember, it's got to go that way. It's always got to go that way. It's got to go clockwise. So it's facing this way, 90 degrees. It's also south. Okay, this one's a little bit harder because it's northwest rather than just north or west, but it shouldn't be too difficult. So it's northwest to start with, 90 degrees that way. It's going to be facing here. So 90 degrees that way. Now it's over there, so that would be northeast. Yeah, northeast. Okay, and the same process for those ones. Now, for these ones, you've just got to count how many degrees there are in each picture. So for each small red line, that's all of those are right angles. So this one has 2 right angles, this one has 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 4. Now, a right angle is 90 degrees, as you can see from this one. So you've just got to write how many degrees for each question. So you've got to add up the red lines, and remember the red lines are 90, so this one is 90 plus 90. As you can see there, the answer for number 7, although the 7 is covered, the answer for number 7 is 180, sorry. This one is 3/4, so 90 plus 90 is 180, plus 1 more 90. So I'm not going to tell you the answer to that, but you can work it out. This one is just 90, just one right angle is 90 degrees, and this one is 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, or you could also do double 180 because you know that that one is 180, and that is equal to of those. So you could do it like that if you prefer to.